Hello, in this video, I'm talking about grid view. Grid view is a scrollable 2D array of widget. Let's take a look at the actual working code. Sample 1. In this sample, GridView.count method is used, and GridView has many containers. The count value is assigned to cross-axis count. When the floating action button is pressed, the count value will be incremented. Let's run the sample. Set break to cross-axis count in grid view. Then get break and count value is 2. So grid has changed to 2 lines. Cross-axis count 3, 4, 5. The cross-axis count is displayed in up bar as you can see. That's all about sample 1 using grid count view method. Next about sample 2. In this sample, let's take a look about main axis spacing and cross axis spacing. If floating action button is pressed, main axis space and cross axis space will be swapped. By default, main axis space is 20 points and cross axis space is 0 point. That's all about sample 2 using main and cross axis spacing. Next about sample 3. In this sample, GridView.builder is used. GridView.builder method creates child items as needed. Container is set in the item builder property. The grid is set in the grid delegate property. And grid items can be set as you like. That's all about sample 3 using GridView.builder method. Next, sample 4. In this sample, GridView.custom method is used. You can configure children delegate and grid delegate property. I set sliver child list delegate to children delegate property. And I set sliver grid delegate with max cross axis extent widget to grid delegate property. You can change the value of max cross axis extent in this widget. That's all about sample 4. Next, sample 5. In this sample, GridView.extent method is used. GridView.extent method creates a grid with the tiles that each have a maximum cross-axis extent. If the floating action button is pressed, the extent variable will be set to 100 points. The value of max cross-axis extent is displayed in up bar as you can see. That's all about sample 5 using GridView.extent method. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you next time. ではまた次回。